Hi, this is David Clausen, and just want to show you how you can find green energy stocks from just simple sites like Yahoo Finance or MSN or Google Finance. You don't really need the big, expensive sites to find exactly what you're looking for. So we're going to find some green energy stocks. So the first place I'm going to go is where it says investing here. I'm going to go ETFs. And ETFs are exchange traded funds, and we're going to be able to find stocks within these ETFs. So what we'll do is where it says search here, you can type in things like, let's try clean. I'll hit search. And then you can see all these ETFs right here. Green energy, global energy, clean energy, and everything that has to do with the uh, um, clean solar energy type thing. We can type in wind. I'll hit search, and you can see a couple here. Or you can type in solar, and you can play around with it. Also type in green and stuff. And we're going to just try one. Once you find an ETF that you like, a solar or clean or a green or something like that, then all you need to do is going to click on the ETF. So I click it on here, and it'll give you a little summary, and you can look at all these things on the left here. But the one we want to go to is the holdings. The holdings. We want to find stocks within it. These are stocks that are in the ETF. The ETF moves based upon that. And these are probably big name stocks that the big institutions and pension funds and things like that are going to be in. And once you're there, we're going to go down and we're going to click get quotes for the top 10 holdings. So we'll get quotes. And then the cool thing is where it says here view comparison chart, we're going to click that. And what it does is it gives relative strength, or it compares all the stocks within the ETFs and what the strongest is. And if you see here, TSL is the strongest. On a 1-year chart, if I take a look at a 6-month, it's the strongest. Within 6 months, it's the strongest stock. And within 3 months, it's real close with CSIQ. So I found one strong stock where investors or institutions are putting a lot of money into it. And so we're going to narrow down TSL. We're going to take a look at it. And I've got it already pulled up here. You can pull it up on Yahoo, and it's all for free. And you don't need big, expensive, fancy charts to do great analysis. And this is an interactive free chart from Yahoo. And what I like to do is I usually click the maximum first because I like to see how far the stock goes back. And that gives me a history of the price movement and what people have valued it for. And I look here and I notice there's a lot of resistance up here at 35. In other words, every time I got around 35, 30, there was selling. And we're kind of getting close there. So, it may not be the most ideal stock right now, but we know in the last year, if you look at it, like I showed on the site, it was up 900%. So they're pushing it up 900%. So it may have the strength to get over 35, and if it does, it might be a long-term great stock to keep. So I got it on max. Let's take a look at it over 2 years, and you can see here, the last 2 years it was 25, and of course with the recession and the major crash it went down. Let's take a look at a year, and we can see it looks pretty good over a year. So within the year it's been doing pretty well. Then we'll take 6 months, and with 6 months we can already see kind of warning signs. You see these red bars here with high volume. So there was a lot of selling here. So something we want to watch out for. And then we'll take a 3-month and we get a little better, closer look, and we can see how that selling came about. And right around here, we notice that there is some buying coming back in, but it's on lower volume. But it gives us an idea of what I really wanted to show you was how you can find a great stock in energy stocks by just going to the ETF section of Yahoo and clicking in within it. So it's a great tool. It's simple. It's free. Play around with it. And if you have any questions, I love doing this. Free analysis. I'll put a link on the page. Go on ahead and ask me if you have a question about a stock or any commentary on this page. Feel free to do it. Anything you want to know about green stocks, I'd be happy to answer for you. So thanks for listening. I hope you learned something, and great luck with your investing. Take care. Bye-bye.